I'm about to embark on a DIY to fix my car. It is not working here. Let me try the 9x16 frame and see what it would look like when I record. Then I will finally go and run. So you guys, let me go do my walk for today, my first physical activity. Today I am feeling a little bit under the weather. And yeah, like I said, the memory is full. I had salad earlier, but now I'm hungry. This is it. Eba and egusi. All right, let me try the 9x16 frame and see what it would look like when I record. Then I will finally go and run. Remember I bought that DJI pocket camera in my last video? Yeah, this is me trying it out too. I'm recording me with my phone. Oh boy, it feels so good. This is what I'll be using to do most of my vlogging, if not all. 16:9 ratio. I'm happy. If you're watching my YouTube for the first time, my name is Choma. I am a registered nurse. I have a bachelor's degree in nursing. But anyway, thank you for coming to my YouTube channel where I kind of share my life, everything that's happening, my plans for the future. At the moment, I went back to traveling as an ED nurse, and I'm also putting in as much time or as little time as I can into my staffing agency. I'm still hoping that it will pick up and start paying some bills. So, but when I work, because I work 12-hour shifts, I hardly ever have time to do anything with ICANN staffing. Even personally, 12 hours shift in the emergency, it keeps me very busy that I don't have time for anything else. Today, I'm off for work. I just came back from running and I did yoga. So I'm about to embark on a DIY to fix my car. Somebody ran into my car in the parking lot and left me a beautiful, annoying dent. I want to try to fix that. I also just increased my deductible to $1,000 and I'm now ready to part with $1,000 to fix my car. So do it yourself it is. Don't fall. So anyway, somebody said use hot water so that I can take these dents out. You see that big one got stuck over there because this little one keeps falling all over the place. And I tried the big one, yeah, it will not stick. I said, let me go put it over there. That's how the thing got stuck. I could not remove it. And then I say, make I come they try this one. See me see wahala. This DIY is not working, yo. Ah, I watch YouTube now and they say boil hot water, boil it on that spot so that it can be pliable. Who has ever given up on DIY? Not me, oh. Oh boy, you can like say you don't stick. Oh. Let's check. Oh. Let's be sure. You don't stick. Ngwa, pull. Pull it out. Let's go. Pull. This yeah thing again. Guys, the worst have happened. Ooh, the thing is broke. And I couldn't even pull even one thing out. Not work. I'll have to take it to I can't do it. I have to take it to a body shop where maybe they can help me. Where they'll pull it out for me. This is useless. So everything I bought that I thought I would use to fix this car, I'm going to return. I tried, but let's move on to something else. It's been a day. Today I am feeling a little bit under the weather. It started yesterday, actually. Could barely talk, but I had to work, so I went to work. Last night it felt like I did a workout. My whole body was aching, so I had to take ibuprofen before I slept. I just now finally dragged myself out of bed, so I'm going to do yoga. And maybe I'll go and run. No, I can't run. I don't even have the energy for that. I'll take a walk at some point today. My phone and my wristwatch, they judge me so bad when I don't do any physical activity. They're like, you need to do a physical activity. Go outside and do something. Ugh. So I'll have to do that later today. I'm even afraid to speak loud because of my voice. I feel like if I talk louder than this, it will just disappear. So, but yeah, I'm going to do yoga now. Ah, that feels so good. This mic is too close to my mouth. So I'm hungry. When I'm feeling under the weather like this, I don't always know what to eat. But, and romaine salad is always my favorite. Normally, I would make my own salad dressing, but because of the way I'm feeling, I don't have the strength or zeal or motivation. I just want to eat it quick. I'm going to add olives as well. These olives I bought, I don't really like it because it has seeds in it. It makes eating it stressful. America will kill somebody with busy life. Join me for my first meal of the day. So guys, this is what I have to deal with now on my laptop. The hard drive memory is full. I only have like 21.7 gigabytes left out of 460 gigabytes. When I bought this laptop, I did not know that I would be doing a lot with the laptop. So I need to save money to buy a new one. To do some work, edit my videos for the vlog. And yeah, like I said, the memory is full. So now what I have to do is once I edit the videos, I'll delete it from the laptop so I can have some space for for another set. It's not, I will have to buy a new laptop with a bigger space. Since I know what I do with my laptop now, yeah, I'm gonna have to invest on a laptop that has more memory capacity. I have thought about buying a new hard drive with a larger memory capacity, but the process of switching it out, I don't know how to do that. I will need my brother to help me out. So I may ask him and see if it's something he can do for me. Anyway, so let me get to work. I had salad earlier, but now I'm hungry. Like, very hungry. So the eba and soup is going to be my main dish. I make everything with microwave these days. Even the eba. I'm going to eat it with the egusi soup. And this is Yoruba style of eating. I don't know, maybe Hausa people eat like this. I never really lived in Hausa. The only food I ever ate from the Hausa part of Nigeria is tuwo shinkafa. And I think they make that with rice. My elder sister, not the one here, used to live in Meduguri. So sometimes when she comes back, that was the only food I know she made for us. But anyway, this is it. Eba and egusi. So I'm going to eat this. So I'm going to eat it Yoruba style. This here is my lunch. I like soup, so join me. Hey guys, I have been editing my vlog today, and like I told you guys, the memory on this laptop is so low, and it's making me take more time to edit. Yeah, I have to do it in batches. Like I download the videos, edit it, and then I have to delete it or free up the space, save it on cloud so I will have space. I wish I know how to edit with my phone because I know people do that. But I don't know if you guys can see that. That's what I'm working on. But I'll be done soon. I still would like to take a walk, but it depends on when I finish. Let's see if I can take that walk. If I don't, if I'm not able to take a walk, this will be it. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys again soon. Bye. I decided to take that walk after all.